Good everyone, my name is Gift. Welcome to UFON Arduino tutorial. So today we're going to be building a motor control that's using an Arduino to control a DC motor. So we are going to start by getting our breadboards, Arduino, and these are stepper motor, 5-volt stepper motor, 28 BYG 48 stepper motor. Our motor driver is our motor driver, our programming code, our jumper wires, our power board, and our power adapter. So with this now we are good to go. So what we are going to do, we are going to attach the power board to the breadboard. Attach the power board to the breadboard. So this is what we use in powering our circuits. So, and the breadboard is designed in column and rows. So this axis is connected serially. Here is connected serially. So that's what we are going to be doing. So connect our power board to the breadboard. So we've connected it. And the next thing is to get our Arduino. Then with our motor driver, then we'll connect our motor driver and our stepper motor together. So this is what we do here. So it's connected now. Now we connect our jumper wires from the Arduino to the motor driver. So the jumper wires will be connected to the pins from pin 8 to pin 11 of the Arduino, from this axis to here. So that's what we're going to be doing. So pin 8 of the Arduino is connected to the in1. So we're connecting pin 8 of the Arduino to in1. This orange cable is connected to the in1 of the motor control. Sorry, so pin 9, the red wire is connected to in2. pin 2 of the motor driver, and pin 11 is connected to the in-tree of the motor driver. Then pin 10 is connected to the pin 3 of the motor driver, of the in-tree of the motor driver. Then pin 11 is connected to the in-4 of the motor driver. So now it's completed. So the next thing now, we connect our jumper wires. We connect our jumper wires from the ground of the Arduino at the power side of the board, of the Arduino board. This place here where you see power, you see GND, so you connect it to any of the ground there. That's the negative side of it. And connect it on this power board. There is positive and there is negative, and the power board produces 5 volts and 3.3 volts. But in this case, we are using 5 volts to power our project. So I'm connecting the ground of the Arduino to the negative of the power board on my breadboard. So it's connected now. Then now on the motor driver uses 5 volts and 12 volts. So our project is being powered by 5 volts. So on this board, you don't power the board with any volts more than 12 volts unless you will fry the board. So we are connecting, it has a positive and a negative terminal. So we are connecting our jumper wires to the 2 terminals. So yeah, this place that is closed is the 12 volts because we are using the 5 volts. If we are not using the 5 volts, this pin would have been here. So we are connecting it now. So on the motor driver, there is positive and there is negative. So connect our positive, which is the brown wire, to the positive line on the breadboard. Then connect the negative line of the motor driver to the negative line on the breadboard. So what we are doing next now is to connect the power from the breadboard to power the motor driver. Yeah, so on this place we'll be connecting it to pin of the 5 volts pin. Yeah, so the positive and the negative terminal. So on this breadboard, on this power board, there's still 3.3 volts, there's 5.5 volts. So but we are using the 5 volts to power our project. So the upside here is the positive, the down here is the negative. So you see 5 volts and the down here you see ground. So anywhere you see ground in any electronics component, no, it's the negative part of it. So connected it. So now we're connecting the positive of our power board to the breadboard here. You will get the circuits with a link below and the code. So we've connected the positive line and the negative. So with this now, this product, you don't have to use your hand to control the motor by using joystick, but this one controls it automatically. So we are done with our circuits now, connecting our circuits. So the next thing is to program it. So this is our power adapter for our power board. So I've connected it. So connect this to your power supply in your house. I've programmed it, so I've uploaded my code to the Arduino. Now you can see that the motor is running. So you can see it's running automatically by itself. So thank you. See you in our next tutorial.